Hey guys, in this video, I'll be telling you how to get a girlfriend in 2020, the year you'll accomplish all your goals with me. This can really apply to anything, not only a girlfriend, such as maybe getting that promotion, buying a car, or simply enjoy your life like there's no tomorrow. 1. Make that goal clear as day as to what you want, something quantifiable. For example, my goal for 2020 is reach 1,000 subscribers and switch up the animation in my videos. As you can see, those are very specific and measurable. Subscribers is numbers and animation is visually measurable. For women, you should never make a goal of get a girlfriend, because what may end up happening is rushing yourself in a relationship with someone you may not fully like, but you're in it just to reach the goal. Instead, your goal should be something like go on 15 dates with different women. You'll hopefully find someone within those 15 women, and they'll feel the same, and you can go on from there. However, the quality of your goal should never be sacrificed for a faster turnaround. Make a road plan of that goal, such as maybe 2 dates by the end of March, then increasing it to 4 by June, and 9 by the end of the year. It'll be extremely difficult at the beginning and seem like you're going backwards. However, as momentum builds through your progress, you'll find yourself a natural someday. It's as the saying goes, you need to learn to walk before you can run. Expect it to be a long journey, maybe even the whole year, but you thank yourself at the end of it all. 2. Identify what you specifically need to do to reach that goal, such as maybe working on your confidence. Confidence is a very common weakness of men, however. You need to find what specifically you're unconfident about. I know for a fact that I was, and still am, extremely self-conscious about my body. I always looked at myself in the mirror and saw my skinny self and felt down and felt like I was a no one towards women. That's what specifically made me afraid to approach girls. Even though most girls don't care about your body type, it still made me very unconfident and nervous. So, in order to combat my own fear, what I did was to work myself out in the gym. Even if I didn't like going to the gym, I knew the pain of being super self-conscious was more painful than going to the gym for 3 hours a week. As I get older now, I've begun to love the gym because it's something that relieves all the stress of work, family, and life in one place. You'll always find the beginning to be the most difficult obstacle, then exponentially become easier the more you progress. 3. Find a friend or mentor to complete the goal with. Mentors can be anyone, me, your friend, or a coach. The whole point of a mentor is to provide solid advice for your specific level and encourage you to take that advice on with action. So, all the tips I provide in my videos are years of experience, experiences of rejection, acceptance, and cluelessness. To add, can I ask for you to smash that like button to really support the channel out and comment the sort of content and stages that you're at in your life so I can tailor my videos more towards you all. It does become quite hard to come up with ideas that can suit everyone. But anyway, back on topic. A good personal mentor, such as your friend or coach, will keep you accountable for your own actions. So, for example, when I was self-conscious about self-image and decided to go to the gym, I had a gym buddy. That gym buddy watched me go from a stick man to a beefy guy by guiding me in directions of correct diets and exercises, carefully taking me out of my comfort zone every single time. Your mentor should always be able to lead you out of your comfort zone and make you comfortable at that level. Every week there should be a higher low and lower highs. Everything is incremental in life. As much as I would love everyone to be instantly confident after seeing my videos, it's unfortunately not the truth. So a mentor is extremely important in life. On a final note, you've probably heard this about 1,000,000 times. However, you need to believe in yourself. It's cliche, I know, but there's nothing worse than someone dreaming of themselves of something they can't be. Whether it's to do with health, wealth, or life in general, it saddens me when I hear someone say they can't do something. At the end of the day, if you believe you can't do something, then you'll end up believing yourself, then not even bother starting. Remember, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. It's always worth a shot when life is so short, especially if you're never going to see that girl again. 2019 wasn't the best year of my life, as my marriage was in a shaky position, which is why I started creating these videos, so I could recoup my thoughts of my younger self to maybe having to start to date again, which also explains the big gap between January to the summer. But I'll not let that stop me from having the best year of my life in 2020. I hope you make 2020 the best year of your life with real changes and meet that one lady you may call your wife one day. Anyway, make sure to hit the bell icon, subscribe, like, and comment what else you'd like to see.